In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Microsoft Copilot Help Pane preview. This is a quick and simple process in Microsoft Edge, and by the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find the setting, how to turn it on, and what to do if the change does not appear right away. If you like following along step by step, feel free to pause the video at any point so you can complete each part at your own pace. To get started, open your web browser and go into Microsoft Edge. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three-dot menu. This is where many of the browser's main options and tools are located. From that menu, select Settings to open the Edge Settings page. After you're in Settings, move your attention to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll see different categories that control how the browser works. Click on System and Performance. This section contains options related to how Edge runs, along with certain built-in features and experiences. Now that you're inside the correct settings area, look for the section related to Copilot or sidebar features. Depending on your browser version, the exact wording may vary slightly, so take a moment to scan the page carefully. What you want to find is the option labeled Copilot Help Pane Preview. This is the feature that allows you to access the preview version of the Help Pane experience. Once you find it, simply toggle the switch to the on position. When the switch is enabled, the feature is turned on and ready to be applied. If you do not immediately notice any visible change, that is completely normal, since some browser settings require a restart before they fully take effect. The final step is to restart your browser. Close Microsoft Edge, then open it again. This refreshes the browser and applies the setting you just changed. After the restart, you should be able to start using the new Copilot Help Pane preview. And that's it. As you can see, enabling this feature only takes a minute once you know where to look. If the option does not appear, it may mean your version of Edge has not received the feature yet, so keeping the browser updated can help. That is all for today. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe.